Whether you're selling digital products or physical products, creating an e-commerce store is your first step. Now, while there are a variety of different platforms that you can use to set up your e-commerce site, WooCommerce is the number one option if you are utilizing WordPress. If you've wanted to sell your products online for a long time, but you just haven't been able to do so because of the technical learning curve, then this is your solution. By the end of this video course, you'll have the necessary knowledge to set up your e-commerce site from scratch on the WordPress platform. So this is a 8-part step-by-step video course that's going to show you how to create an e-commerce store with WooCommerce so that you can start generating leads, sales, and profits. So in this step-by-step video course, you're going to watch over my shoulder as I show you how to set up an e-commerce site with WooCommerce. So here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video 1 is the introduction. Video number 2, we're going to talk about how to get access to WooCommerce themes. Video number 3, we'll talk about the general settings overview. Video number 4, we'll talk about the product settings overview. Video number 5, we'll talk about how to organize your products. Then in video number 6, we'll talk about product attributes. Video number 7, we'll talk about expansion. And of course, video number 8, we'll talk about how to automate WooCommerce tasks. So go ahead and grab this video course today and learn how to set up your e-commerce site with WooCommerce.